Alright, so I'm gonna put the bareback pad on her and jump on her.
Through Thursday for incredible prices on our own brands and more. Right now, select 16-ounce varieties of Shaw's pasta are just 79 cents each. Don't forget to pick up some sauce while you're here. And get free potato bolognese when you buy any roast with the coupon in our weekly circular. Plus, we have cool savings on Eggo waffles. Select 9.9 to 12.6 ounce varieties are priced at 2 for $4. Great deals throughout the store are just around the corner at Shaw's. When Karen Tomlin was going on an interview, she wasn't sure if the job would be exactly right for her. She wasn't sure if she would be exactly right for the job. But thanks to Kohl's, you've never had to sacrifice style for savings. She was sure she'd find the complete look that would be exactly right for the job. We all need a store we can lean on.
Kohl's, where it's all on sale this Friday through Sunday. Absolutely everything in the store. Every brand, every item. The more you know, the more you Kohl's. Kohl's, expect great things. Only the Home Depot has new Bare Premium Plus Ultra Ceiling Paint and Primer in one. Same beautiful color, same excellent color. Now in a new drip-resistant formula, especially for ceilings. If you love the look of Bare, why stop at your walls? We've lowered the cost of floor-to-ceiling concrete.
Yeah, just move around a little bit.
Newest idea, Premium Plus Ultra Ceiling Paint. More savings, more doing. That's the power of the Home Depot. Here's Home Depot for details.
It's time for Tips from Flo. Tips from Flo. Here's a tip about our loyalty program. The savings don't stop when you switch. You're automatically enrolled on day one, and you keep earning great discounts and benefits. And it's free. It's free. Are you just repeating everything I say? Kinda.
Rewarding loyalty. Now that's Progressive. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and affiliates like this deliver high. Now available in all states and situations. Prices vary based on how you buy.
This is Troy Aikman. You know, in today's economy, getting tied up in a long-term contract can really be a trap.
Once you sign, you're on the line, brother.
Not at Rent-A-Center. You can rent a home without a long-term commitment. And if you need to, you can stop and start back up whenever you want.
So you'll never feel trapped.
Right now at Rent-A-Center, get a special price on Toshiba LCD HD TVs. Rent to own with no credit needed and no long-term commitment.
Rent-A-Center, the new way to shop in the new economy.
See rentacenter.com for complete details and more information on the words we guarantee.
Hey, it's Whitney Allen. Thursday three-way Winnie tonight can score you a trip to Las Vegas. First, you'll qualify by picking up Luke Bryan's Spring Break 3. It's a sure thing. Your next stop could be Vegas, baby. And Big Time Texting Association winners can score a one-year gym membership in your town. So you can wear all the skinny clothes you bought at the beginning of the year. We'll see you tonight. Things get a whole lot bigger, except for you, of course. Right here.
Tonight, 7 to midnight on 105.3 Cat Country and CatCountryVermont.com. Alrighty, got a cloudy night across Cat Country. Of course, it's going to be really cold. 8 below zero, maybe 14 below with a wind chill.
Wanna make sure we got our
It's going to warm up hopefully tomorrow. Upper 20s, low 30s, a lot better than what we've been seeing. And we'll see some sunshine, but it's going to be cloudy tomorrow night, dipping down in the mid-20s. There is a chance of rain and snow or sleet for the beginning of the weekend. Doesn't look too good. We'll keep you posted on that one. It's 20 degrees right across Cat Country. The latest weather conditions 24/7. Go to CatCountryVermont.com.
Relaxing. This is the first time she's been rode since last fall. Relaxing, blowing out. We'll pick up our reins. Wait for her to get with us to friend the game. Sneaky thing. There, good. Relax in our seat. Shift our weight back. Back up. Turn in.
Couple wildflowers, Jane Deere girls, 105.6.
Yeah, so here's Jasmine, you know, like I said, first time riding all since she sat all winter, and this is her every day. Thank you for watching.